This is a dwarf Burford holly. And it's just an evergreen shrub. It's great because it's a slower growing shrub. It does have this nice glossy green foliage to it. It's not hard, so some of the other hollies can be real pokey. It's got a little spine there, but it doesn't hurt at all. Then there's the darker green for the older, mature growth versus the new stuff. I like it because it grows slower, so it's fairly easy to keep at a reasonable height. But if you don't prune it, it can get to be large, 6-7 feet if you don't maintain it. But you can easily keep this guy under 3 feet if you want to, just with regular pruning. So no real issues except scale. So if it's in the shade, you will just have to kind of keep an eye out for scale. It's a little white speck that gets on this guy, and it slows down the growth. That's really it, and it's not deer resistant. Deer especially love the new growth on this guy. So.